Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. Today we learn the quick and efficient method to copy and paste multiple table cells at once in Microsoft Word. This tutorial we show you how to select multiple cells, duplicate them correctly and maintain table structure, alignment and formatting without errors. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now I go some down and we can see here a table. You want to copy and paste the multiple cell, you can copy or select the cell individual. Now I am select the first cell, then press Ctrl and hold on our keyboard, then select the another cell. Otherwise you can select another cell. Press and Ctrl, hold the Ctrl, then select multiple cell, then press Ctrl C on our keyboard, then select the cursor and we can see we here select this, paste the text. Now we can see we select and paste this easily. You can also press and hold the Ctrl key, then press again Ctrl C and paste, press Ctrl V. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.